Is that a centipede in here? I hate being on the first floor. She's a whore.
Are you Cody?
First, it's Cody.
No, but you know sometimes when you sing something.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's going to be another vlog. It is Sunday. I don't have much to do. If you guys hear any type of music or anything like that, it's just because I have my family over, like my sisters and stuff, so they're vibing out outside. But I got some new art pieces. So you guys know before I currently have these here, which I don't really love. I don't like it like that at all. So I got more pieces. Let me show you guys. Well, not more. I got the same exact designs, but this time I got bigger ones. And they also have the white frame, which I feel like is going to fit my apartment. That's in my apartment, my room, much better. So I'm going to take those down and put these in. These are actually really, really large. So I'm trying to see if I'll put one of these in my little hallway right here, and I'll just put the two of these above the bed like so. So I'm gonna see how it works, and I'm just going to bring you guys along with me as I do that, because yeah, that's really all I have to do today. And then I'm just doing laundry because this is like my only day off. This vlog may be all over the place because I don't have a lot to do, but I have certain things to do, like that I need to do. I need to like get my house together because July 4th is like right there. So I want to like get my house together, or the apartment together and everything, so that we can be prepared for the festivities, because I am having like a July 4th cookout thing with my friends, family. So really excited about that. So let's just go ahead and take these off and put on some new ones. Okay, it's not, I don't think it's even, but this is how it looks with just the two. I kind of think that's better. I'm gonna try it now with the 3 to see, but I don't think that the 3 is even gonna fit, and I feel like the 3 is gonna be too wide amongst here. I don't feel like it's enough space unless I like literally put them together. So like, this is how it's looking. And then I'm going to make my mirrors higher to align with it, because that kind of like annoys me a little bit, but I feel like this actually looks really good like so. I'm just gonna even it out a little bit. And then the third one, excuse my bed because it is a little bit messy. So the third one, what I tell you guys all the time about mixed tiles, I love that you don't have to put any holes into your walls, and these are actually magnetic, so you can actually take them off and probably like get replacements or something if the sticker loosens. But a lot of times they guarantee that the stickers can be reused. So this third one I'm actually going to put on this wall here, like just right in, oh my god, I just felt, I'm about to fall over myself. So just in the middle like this in my hallway, because I don't have anywhere else to put this. So that's what we're about to do. I have a whole bunch of stuff here, like all of my stuff from Dominica and everything. My suitcases are all there, so I'm just gonna place this here for now, just because I don't want it on the floor. So I feel like this looks so lonely by itself, but I may order another one of these, maybe like another line thing, and I'll add this there too, because I decided that I'm gonna get a TV. It kind of looks a little empty, but it still works, unless I actually take this and I place this here, and this I figure something out for it. Don't know yet, but I'm just having it here for now because I don't have nowhere to put it. But I'm actually gonna get a TV and a dresser. I don't know if I told you guys, but I now have a roommate. My cousin lives with me, and so she's taking the content room. Well, she has the content room, so I no longer have the content room. I actually put my desk in my living room, and I'm actually gonna update you guys to tell you guys about that. Hold on, my phone is ringing. Wow. Wow, it's time to pray. All right, guys, so it's the next day. I have my bonnet on. I completely forgot to get back on camera after I picked up the phone. I was on the phone for hours. However, I wanted to show you guys. Hold on, let me close this. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys my new setup for like my office content type of space. So if you guys, ow, I just hit myself. If you guys don't remember, I had like this space opened and I just had my mirror here. So now I have my desk here. And this is like basically my workspace. It's gonna be my shooting space. When I do like my, let's give it a second. So yeah, so it's gonna be my shooting space. So when I do like sit downs and all of that, I'll be able to do that here. And I'll still have, is that a centipede in here? I hate being on the first floor. So disgusting. There's always a centipede somewhere in here. It's so frustrating. And was that an ant? Let me see, where are they coming from? Is there a window open somewhere? What's that? Being on the first floor actually sucks sometimes. Like, it's convenient, I guess, to a certain degree, but it sucks because literally there are bugs and ants. I had to add like bleach by the window so that way they like do not want to come here. Like, that's what I've been doing and it's helped a lot, but it's been a while since I've done bleach at the ends. So currently right now I am at my office and I actually do like the space here. Like I said, the reason why I have changed it is because me and my cousin now live together. She has taken the second bedroom, so we're roommates. I have a roomie. Okay. Hold on, let me wipe this because I feel like I see fingerprints and I don't know if it's going to make any difference. But yeah, so she has the second bedroom now, so you guys will not see me shooting there. So I know that I already shot like 2 or 3 videos in that area. So the following videos are going to be a different setup. I'm contemplating if I want it to be which background I want depending on what I'm shooting. If I wanna move the desk this way, keep it this way, or put it this way when I'm shooting. So I just have to figure that out the next time I do like a sit down video. But currently I'm editing my haul. So that's what I'm about to do. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I'm doing this week, but I don't really have anything much. I don't really have much else to do. Yeah, don't really have much else to do. We will be going shopping for July 4th. We're gonna go buy some food. We're gonna get some games from Target. We're gonna get a couple of things. I have to actually write a list of things that I feel like I need. Gotta get some hookah flavor, gotta get some hookah, you know, kits and stuff and all of that. I need to go to the like a hookah warehouse in Jersey to get that because they have like discounts. Okay, but yeah, so I'm about to just edit this video and upload it, and then we'll go on with the rest of the stuff that we have to do. I actually have to do my hair as well, so I guess I'll take you guys with me as I do my hair and install this little wig on my head. I told myself I wasn't gonna do wigs or anything, but I need to like just do something with my hair because I have my shoots still and I cannot do like braids and stuff like I really want to, because then I'll have to take them out because sometimes the shoots happen like randomly. Oh, hey, are you available this week? So it's like I need something that I could put on and take off. So wigs it is, unfortunately.
It's this one thing
So I just finished crying for like the past 20 minutes or so because if you guys are looking at my hair, it's completely damaged. It's just done. Like there's no point in salvaging anything whatsoever. All of my curls are no longer curls. I have parts of my hair that just won't even curl anymore. I went to a lady who